Good morning. It is October 1st. First day of Vlogtober. Your girl put on a brave face because I'm not feeling too good. But it's your girl Brittney.Dashay back with another video. And yes, I'm so excited. First day of October, but it's still a work day for me. So first of the month is always kind of busy, kind of hectic because we're at work, but definitely going to push through. So about to start my day and get myself together. And yes, so let me not lose focus, but I wanted to at least say good morning to y'all and welcome y'all to the vlog. So bye. It's such a gloomy day. Like, ugh. This is not how Vlogtober should start, but hey, it's starting this way. Struggle is real. Alright, so I finally made it to Magnolia where I work. Wasn't able to stop at HEB. I like to go by HEB to get me lunch or something like that. But with the rain, I did not want to stop and get out. I am menstrual and your girl is craving and wanting a donut. So I stopped by Shipley's. Hopefully they have some hot I want a glazed donut so bad, but a chocolate glazed donut, and I'm praying hope they hot. And I might get me a kolache, or I might get me a kolache like with a boudin in it. I don't know if you ever had it, but it's really good. But it's a slight line, so just copyright. I didn't even realize. Hopefully they can't hear it, but I didn't even realize music was playing while I'm talking. But yes, I'm going, once I get my food, I'm going to show y'all what I got. So let's get up to this window. Good morning. What donuts do you have hot?
Hot? Are those ones? Yeah, I don't. Are those ones party? I have warm glazed donuts right now. That's about it.
How long do you have any chocolate glazed donuts? That I know you said they're not warm, but when were they made? I'll just do a boudin kolache.
We're out of boudin.
Do you have any kolaches?
We have sausage cheese, jalapeno, ham and cheese, no cheese,
And you guys don't do Big Earl? Okay, well, that's fine. Thank you. So that was a complete bust. But clearly I don't need it. But slightly annoying. So just gonna head on to work. What time is it? Yeah. So that's annoying. I hate that. Let's go. All right, so it's been a long day, but it's clear, sunny skies, partly sunny. But yes, off of work, about to actually gotta look at my camera. Gotta run by the store and I need to get me a bottle of wine or something, so I can go home, relax, because your girl gotta work tomorrow. but I'm about to take y'all with me just to show y'all like the type of wine that I like to get. I need to replace a bottle for my mama, so I'm about to do that. I want to get me like some snack, like a little candy or something, because your girl is a little crabby. So about to do that. And yeah, so let's go and get our life together, go get us a little percentage and get us a little candy. So let's go take a run for it. These things are like so good. The little little snacky snack. Well, not even a snack, it's a dinner. But about to get that. Alright, so I'm about to get some wine. I've already picked up the replacement bottles. This little margarita. I don't know if y'all tried these. They're really good. I prefer the mango over the strawberry, or I haven't tried the watermelon. The watermelon looks like it would be good. I should get that one, but we ain't gonna get it today because I want a bottle of wine. I think, yeah, I got this wine a while back. Really good, y'all. I really like this one, so I'm gonna get this to go with my dinner. And also I picked up this cake, even though my fat ass don't need it, but I'm menstrual, so I get to get it today. Just because I'm not feeling good, I get to get it today. If you want to do that for yourself, you can do that. You can choose a day, especially for us ladies. If you feeling like, oh, I'm a little menstrual, or I need a little pick-me-up, pick up that piece of cake that you wanted. And I picked up mine, so pick up yours. But yes, about to, I think that's it. I'm trying to see what other wine they might have that I want to try. Look at this. Pink lemonade Moscato. I don't know. Let me know how it tastes, y'all, if y'all get it. They got a peach one. They got a mango. They got a strawberry one. But have y'all ever tried the jam jar? I did not like it. 2 thumbs down. I did not like it at all. But I think we're good. I think that's all I'm gonna get. So let's head out. I might see one last thing and head out so I can finish editing this video so I can upload it for today. So yeah, let's go. Where'd you go? Do you know how I've been?